How to delete a Snapchat account permanently. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, here to guide you through the way. First of all, make sure that you have installed the latest version of Snapchat on your phone. If you have already done so by the Google Play Store or App Store on your device, then simply open Snapchat on your phone. After opening the Snapchat on your phone, you will now see an interface like this. And seeing an interface like this, what you can simply do is tap on your profile, which is on the top left side of the screen, and after tapping on your profile you will again see an interface like this. Here on the top right side you will see there is a gear button, and tapping on this you will open the settings of Snapchat. Setting of Snapchat, just scroll down up until you see the option of support, and from the support option you can simply tap on I need help, and after tapping on I need help option you can see there is a search bar right here. Just tap on the search bar, and now I can simply search for delete account. Just tap on how do I deactivate or delete my Snapchat. After tapping on this, you will see all the guidelines which are given here. So what you want to do is delete your Snapchat account permanently. So here is given that you should log into your Snapchat account portal and tap on delete my account by inputting your password and continue to confirm. So just follow the guide. So to show you, I will just tap on Snapchat account portal to go there. And after this, what you can simply do is you can simply type the username if you know it, and after typing it, you can simply put the password and tap on delete my account. If you want to permanently delete or for temporarily, you can simply tap on deactivate my account. So yes guys, this is how you do it. I hope this video helped you. If you liked our video, then please do like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. See you on the next one.